I'm in a 14 Hyundai Azera Prox. We have no Prox keys. We're going to be programming one OEM and one aftermarket Prox. I have the pin code. Here's our start button. So let's get started. Hazards on. Go under Hyundai Azera 14. Program. No. Enter. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to have our proxies here. We're going to take our prox, and when it's green tells us we're going to press enter. Hold this up to the button and push in. Here we go. Push in, hold. That one's done. Would I like to do additionals? Yes. Now we're going to do the OEM. Press enter. There you go. All right. Would I like to do any more? No. 2 keys program, that's what we want. Our OBD2 port is right behind this cover here. We can unplug. Turn our hazards off. That works. So does our OEM. Push the button. And we're on. We are done.